how to disable direct message on TikTok. So if you want to disable direct message on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. So open up your TikTok. Now go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and from here you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. Now you need to tap on privacy, and under privacy you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of direct messages, or you will have messaging. You need to tap on that and you will have these options. So if you want to disable direct message or messaging, then what you need to do is you need to go with permission settings. Under permission settings, you need to go with who can send you messages, and here you need to tap on potential connections, which is don't receive, and tap on others on request. Here also you need to go with don't receive, and if you don't receive the message request, you won't receive the messages. So that's it. That's how you can disable direct message on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.